Hello Sagittarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. So Sagittarius, this is your reading for the month of September 2021, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. Okay. Also Sagittarius, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. I would also request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Sagittarius, look, what we are going to do in this reading is we will see what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and your person. So let's get started now. Sagittarius, what your person is truly thinking and feeling about you. Sagittarius, what your person is truly thinking and feeling about you. So for the past we have is a Page of Swords and Two of Pentacles, High Priestess and Seven of Wands for the present, the Star and Queen of Cups for the future. Okay, let me pull out some more cards. What action they will take towards you, Sagittarius. What action they will take towards you. What action they will take towards you. We have is Seven of Cups, then we have is Ten of Wands, we have is the Hierophant, Two of Swords and the Moon. Okay, at the end we'll see what is the likely conclusion. Let's talk about what they are truly thinking and feeling about you. Okay. So for the past we have is Page of Swords and Two of Pentacles. This person was having a hard time realizing their feelings for you. They were confused what exactly they were feeling for you, and they were not able to understand their exact feelings for you, and that's why they were quite like they were curious about you. They wanted to know what is going on in your life. They were thinking about you, but they were not realizing what they were feeling for you, whether they are in love with you, or whether there is something else. They want you, they don't want you. They were really having a hard time understanding, realizing their own feelings, and because of that they were feeling drawn towards you, but they were not able to explain why they were feeling drawn towards you or why they were thinking so much about you. And that's what of curiosity this person used to spy a lot on you. Okay, they were keeping tabs on your social media, wherever your presence was, Facebook, Instagram or whatever it is. They were going through that a lot. They wanted to know updates in your life. Okay, and with the Two of Pentacles, like this person was having a hard time whether they wanted to listen to their mind, they wanted to listen to their heart, they wanted to listen to their brains. Okay, they were thinking that probably this person was a player. Okay, and they thought that just like their previous partners, they will have a good time with you and then they will move on to their next partner. Okay, and then they will keep on moving on to their new partners, just by having some good time with their previous partners. But when you entered in their life, they had a good time with you, but they thought that now it's time to move on, just like they did in their previous relationships. Okay, they did move on. I mean, they did choose someone else in front of you because of their player vibes, and they thought that that's it, that's the end of the story. They know that they are going to hurt you, and they did hurt you a lot. Okay, but even after moving on to the next person, this person couldn't stop thinking about you, and because of that they were with someone else, but at the same time they were thinking about you, and this never happened with them before. Okay, and in the current situation with the High Priestess and Seven of Wands, now it is dawning upon this person that how much they like you, how much they love you. They are having some big realizations, Sagittarius. Okay, like they are realizing their love for you, Sagittarius. And this person is trying to understand their feelings, because if someone is talking against you, they cannot tolerate that, and that's how they are realizing how much they have fallen for you. Okay, the realization is slow, but realization is quite strong, I'll say. Okay, and this person, probably they are having dreams about you. They are feeling but insecure now that so much of separation period has gone and no action has taken towards you, no action has been taken towards you, and they fear that you may have moved on, you're with someone else. The future cards are the Star and the Queen of Cups. They think that you are busy in your life, they are busy working on your career, you are busy working on your career, you are taking care of your own life, okay, and you have forgotten them is what they are thinking. And what I see is that the Star card also represents honesty and truth, right? Because we have this nude lady. Nudity is about getting back to the roots. It's about what you truly and honestly feel about someone or something, okay? And this person will, we also have Queen of Cups. So what I feel is that in the future they may want to be honest with you regarding how exactly they are feeling about you. They are holding their love back right now, but in future they won't be able to hold their love back for a long time. They will come towards you with some confession is what I'm feeling. I guess that, yeah, there will be some confessions. So what action they will take towards you? Seven of Cups, Ten of Wands, Hierophant, Two of Swords, and the Moon. Yeah, there is a lot of back and forth energy. This person, and I'm telling you, they are having a hard time realizing their feelings, and right now it's like slowly dawning upon them, like how much they love you and how much they want you in the future. Okay, but they also fear that if it is late, they are drinking, thinking about you. They do have a lot of options, which is also sort of confusing them, and they will, okay, I'm getting a situation but I'm not getting an action, what action they will take towards you. Okay, so what action they will take towards you, because I'm getting some intense emotions over here. Okay, so what exact action Sagittarius's person will take towards Sagittarius? Yeah, Two of Cups. Yeah, they are coming towards you, but they will come very slowly, let me tell you that, because even as of now they are a bit confused. They are having realizations, but they are a bit confused. So the realization process is very slow. So let me tell you that even if they are meant to come towards you, they'll come very slowly. Okay, they'll take some time, I mean. So what is the likely conclusion between you and this person? What is the likely conclusion between you and this person, Sagittarius? What is the likely conclusion between you and this person? Contract. We have door to value, and we have 7 chakra, Archangel Uriel. So look, Sagittarius, there is a potential in this connection. We have contract, which represents commitment. Okay, this connection will bring value, but then there are certain things that you need to work upon, and that even this person needs to work upon. Both of you need to heal one another, either by coming together or either individually before you enter into this relationship. Okay, someone is thinking excessively, that is causing some stagnancy in this situation. Okay, so it's up to you. Anyways, this is a world of free will, Sagittarius. Like, if you want to move on, you always have this free will. You can move on, you will find someone else. But if you want this person, the cards are suggesting that there is a potential in this connection. Okay, but even before you both of you go for this connection, please heal yourself respectively. Okay, all right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment on below. Till then, bye bye.